Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to the rant channel. Just continuing a few rants that happened during this past week. The first rant of the day is Snapchat is now beginning to become more like WhatsApp, in the sense like WhatsApp you can access to the web, phone, app. So now Snapchat also is launching a web app, so you can use it outside your smartphone. But only one issue is that it only runs with Chrome at the moment, not with Apple Safari. So Apple Safari people are using MacBooks can download Chrome and install the extension. At the moment you can only do a chat reactions and chat replies, and as per the CEO, the lenses will roll out soon. It is available first to the Snapchat Plus customers in handful of countries such as USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Rest of the world will follow eventually. Some people believe it might be a Zoom competitor, but doesn't make any sense because Zoom is for corporate work calls and Snapchat is for fun. But it's good to see Snap rolling out, trying different things. As you know, Snapchat is going to a crisis. Their stocks are down at the moment, but it's good to see them trying new things. So it's good. I don't think it'll be hit in schools. I don't think schools will allow this application to run, but good for other people, for teenagers and all. Anyway, like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.